Today's video is a little different and a little special. As many of you know, it's been nearly 5 years since we launched Bong Eats, and today we are looking back at the first recipe that we ever filmed and recorded and uploaded to this channel, Chingri Bhaape. In fact, this video is so old that it was filmed before we contacted Deeptangshu Da, Shayatto and Zubin from the band Bimanan to see if they would be willing to create the background scores for us, the music that has become synonymous with our channel now. 5 years have passed, and one of the members of Bimanan, as many of you may know, Shayatto, now runs his own YouTube channel called Shayatto and Friends. Now, Shayatto and his friends Utshab, Zubin, Shayan, Shonok, etc. had the fun idea of turning the background score called Priyo Puchkawala, or the Roshe Roshe song as it has come to be known now, into a full-fledged song with 2 new verses. They also rearranged the music of the original composition. You can go listen to it on their channel. The link will be in the first comment below this video. We also make a brief appearance during their video recording. To mark the launch of the new version of the song, we thought it would be fun to remake our oldest video too. In the old Chingri Bhaape video, we steamed the prawns in a microwave, a method that you can still follow for this recipe. But in this video, we show you a few other ways to make it, especially if you're cooking in a larger quantity. That's it, presenting Chingri Bhaape version 2. Don't forget to head over to Shayatto and Friends channel to listen to the new version of Priyo Puchkawala.
সাথে সাথে সাধো ভব ঘুরে সাথে সাথে সাধে ডুবে রসে রস রস ভর তুলে না 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 সাদের রসে মন ভুলাই সাদের রসে মন ভুলাই সাদের রসে মন ভুলাই মাতবি আপন পর ভুলে রসে 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 ডুবে সাদে সাদে সাদো ভব ঘুরে সাদে 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 ডুবে রসে রস রস ভর সাদে 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 ডুবে na 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 রসে 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 ডুবে সাদে সাদে সাদো ভব ঘুরে সাদে 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 ডুবে রসে রস রস ভর তুলে রসে 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 ডুবে সাদে সাদে সাদো ভব ঘুরে সাদে 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 ডুবে রসে রস রস ভর তুলে দারা স্বাদের রসে মন ভুলায়